Avamix food blenders handle all your heavy-duty blending needs. They're perfect for blending soups, sauces, and large batch recipes. These powerful blenders feature a 3 3/4 horsepower motor that offers an output of 26,000 RPM. The blenders come with a durable 1-gallon corrosion-resistant stainless steel jar. Each container features double handles for a comfortable ergonomic grip that makes the jar easy to carry and pour. A clasp fitted on the jar attaches and locks down the lid so no overflow occurs during operation, making the unit safer when blending hot liquids. The jar's 2-piece lid design allows you to add ingredients while blending without having to remove the lid or stop the motor. Each blender has non-skid feet, keeping the unit steady during use. These blenders are available in 3 different models. The standard GRG has a 3-speed option from low to high and a pulse button that allows you to throttle quick bursts of power. The GRGT model comes equipped with a digital timer function that can be adjusted in 30-second intervals, allowing you to perform other tasks while the unit runs. The GRGV model features variable controls and a pulse switch for complete speed control. Perfect for high-volume kitchens, bars, and institutional settings, these units can provide quick and consistent results.